Why would you do that? Hi everyone. Hey, hi guys, how are you? How is everyone? Good evening, good evening. Chirungu, guys, chirungu. Chakaenengara, right? Hi. What do you say? Hi, Rachel. Mammoth, how are you? Chiedza. Hi, Chiedza, how are you? Are you good? Whew, Chiedza. I wish I had your confidence. I wish I had them. I wish I had Chiedza's confidence, guys. Please forgive my lighting. Carolina. Baby, my binocular. Baby, my binocular. Baby, my binocular. Baby, my binocular. Hear me, Casa. Zimbabwe, the Pumile. When I will know to the jet. That's why I'm not told about it. When I will know to the jet. Hama, Zango, Samiro, Samira, when I will over my sister. I want to buy when I was in back. Some keeping the Kumba. I will say, I become a Bamba. I don't know, I get and kiss a Bamba. I'm not to talk about that is so beautiful. That's so far. Ugasa. We are less than money. Go to my binocular. We are less than money. Go to my binocular. Baby, my binocular. Go to my binocular. Baby, my binocular. Go to my binocular. Yeah, my baby kangaroo. A kangaroo. Namibia kangaroo. A kangaroo. Zimbabwe kangaroo. Ah, when you are wangu. Oh yo. When you are wangu. Oh yo. When you are mambala. Oh yo. When you are my sisi bawa. Papa kuya na mama yo. Mama yo. Machima ndiamai. Manebe. Anamanzo buraibo. Manjati. Azero kumbumira. Ashina kumbumira musha, okay? Unondi tandiwone musha, go to my binocular. Unondi konzera ndiwone, go to my binocular.
Lorraine Mukundu Wacho. Ndimira moyo. Saka kana vida kundana mchiti mama moyo. You can still do that. And random to go. Guys, kana hana ya na kudai so unoti wakagara kana kongofunga mudiwa ko konguti papa ne yake no funga ngoro yoti papa. Oh, that's off. What's some of the phone? What hi babe, I was just thinking about you, but same here. Nasi pane arukuda kuchaka munwa ke panap. We've got a brother. Kuzvitsvagira welcome. Hi everyone, every diaries. I hope you're well. I hope you're good. Nice to find out with Kuzvitsvagira girlfriend our Kuzvitsvagira mudiwa pana Kuzvitsvagira wempamoyo. Pana Kuzvitsvagira wempamoyo. And I'm just going to get into the show. Hi sis, how are you? Are you guys good? Pana Kuzvitsvagira, the love of their life, and today's the show. My brother is 27 years of age. He is, hi guy, how are you? He's 27 of age. He's based here in Joburg, and he is looking for someone to date. As you know, I'm recently single. Single and not searching. Recently single, but not searching. And we've got a brother of ours, Akumbira. Because my dad is who we are on the pizza. No, he's 28. He's 28 years of age, and he is looking for the love of his life. Kuzvitsvagira, the love of his life. He is looking for a lady at the age of 21 to 26 years of age. So I can honor mnina wako, una sisi wako, una vatete, or una what you call this, uriwewe at that age. Pana Budi, our first candidate, Ndi Budwa Kuzvitsvagira Mukadzi Okorora. I love him very quickly. Bridesmaids. Junior, should you say? What do you say, guys? Okay, let me try and get this phone working, actually. Quite press it. Okay. And then, guys. Okay, the phone is unlocked. So I'm going to call, I'm less than that. My guy. If many years ago, look with the interviewing, if many years ago, you are the right candidate, means with calling out and calling phone and each other with a girl. But I had to come here and present the story to all the diaries and say, this is the story. I did. I'm going to pin my number. My number is for the ladies who are going to call in, and also the brother mans, just in case. Yes, I hope number and not see that anything. Number to call. That's the number to call. Zara, how are you? So good, are you guys good? So all my single sisters who are interested in someone to date, today is your day. Okay. Varukufona, please can you call me on my WhatsApp? Don't move on WhatsApp, not directly. Can you call me on my WhatsApp? Please, don't be wrong. And this is if I'm not directly. Can you please call me on my WhatsApp? And this is Indian. I think it's, let me see. Maybe it's the guy. No, it's not even him. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hi, Victor. Guys, I'm coming Victor and Rapid of Bona last year. Shall be taking a boom at the first time in Ababa. I'm going to go for the rain. I'm going to become a gurumba. Can you guys hear me? Christine, can you hear me now? But Divane, 28 years of age. Ma Kora Kuchagwana Budi, 21 to 26. But he is not married. He is a believer of God, but he is not religious. He is based in Joburg. He does work. Hello? Hello? Hi, how are you? Yes. Your phone is very faint, sweetheart.
Hello.
Okay, hello?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, actually, Anna Shanda, brother man works.
I'm watching the show and his school salvation because we know that everyone is African.
That's nice. Yes, love.
Causing a lot of problems. So, like, I find in my relationship, she told me intentions we need to get because of this distance. They really don't know how to handle.
Is your relationship a long distance relationship?
Yeah, it is. Like, okay, I'm not going to say much of the details.
Okay.
Because yeah, but he's not so far. He's like 3 hours away from me. The borders are closed and everything. So
Power off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how Nana is like since we started talking and it's been like 6 months.
So you haven't met your boyfriend for 6 months, and have you met? Okay, have you guys met?
Not yet.
So it's a long distance relationship and you guys haven't met.
Yeah.
And the any suggestion could you train a live you could you say?
More because you don't understand that there are problems that come with distance relationships and there are challenges that they have to like really admit to each other. Let us know and they have to know how to deal with those issues.
Okay, alright, no problem. Talk for another caller. Talk for and then we can talk about this. Thank you so much. Alright. Guys, call our any suggestion. Quite different go live my relationships about relationships and how to handle relationships. So that's the suggestion she wants. But can I be a long distance relationship? The jump phone around, we'll call her later on, and then I'll speak to her, and then she'll explain in detail. Could Arkudachi. Welcome. Hello. Hey. Hello?
Hello, yes. So I want to find out about the guy.
Okay, the guy is 28. Arkuchagamuna name 21 to 26. Do you qualify on that age group?
Yeah, they're 25.
No, 25. Budivati Rapudamunari around Hauteng. You have to be honest. No kids. If you have a kid, it's not an issue, but at least one. Education is not an issue. Atana, a certain type of a lady he's looking for, as long as someone is faithful.
Okay, I can understand. Yeah, look at her for Alberton.
Look at Alberton. And what are you looking for?
I'm looking for someone straight, someone who feels on.
He does drink alcohol.
I just also to control her that another.
And Sana Bona, I'm going to go, but dear Matoira, I'd see I'm not going to control his alcohol intake.
Oh, okay. A person who's into family, but I'm not supposed to control myself.
Okay, so you are more family orientated. Guys, can you hear? Can you guys hear now? Can you hear caller now? So you're more family orientated.
And someone who's outgoing. I love traveling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, he said he does like to go out and he loves reading. He did say traveling, but not too much. If you cannot hear, and now
Okay, so like what made him really choose like mono, like social media? Like, I really want to know, do I add photos that like social media? I don't know, like I'm not stuff like that.
Kwano gara
I
e.
know I'm
Guys, I need you to hear, just in case I miss something. Don't gonna open something. Don't gonna open something, and then you guys hear it. Shirinani. Okay, caller, you asked a question. What's the reason of him coming on social media? Okay, the reason of him coming on social media is because of his job. He doesn't have time to socialize. His job does not allow him to socialize that much.
What are you saying? Fine, I understand. I'm not judging her because I'm not going to need to look at Siana, but that's one of
okay. I'd see if Patricia when he explained to me because of mobile.
All right, okay. I think that's it. I mean, questions I'm sure that for there.
Okay, so other than the family orientation, the drinking, the outgoing, and the traveling, what are you looking for?
For love, I'm looking for someone really serious and mature, someone who's into love, like someone who can love me for who I am. To someone really serious, like a man or
Okay. And tell me a bit about yourself. Who are you? Who is the girl from Alberton? What happens? What are you all about?
Well,
Guys, enough about your phone.
a girl akakurira kugweru.
Yeah.
Ndakakurira kugweru kumkoba 2. Born in a family of 2. My mom's got 2 daughters. That's me and my sister. Then to South Africa, but I'm currently staying with a cousin. Pane shishop kwanga shibetsera like kunoitwa a bakery, kunoitwa donuts. Like part-time. Asandanyatsowana basa randiri kutsvaga because I wanted to study. I want to raise funds kuti ndiendere mberi nemastudies angu.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Ndanyora number dzako pasi first caller wedu, and I'll come back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sweetie. Ko Alberton umulisa mkhomana wangu kukondo wano ka.
Alright.
Alright, sweetie. Okay, guys, I hope nyaye volume yangu is not going to be an issue in any way whatsoever. Please, let me try the next person. But my phone keeps ringing. This is... Hello? Hi, sweetie, how are you? And this was what phone yangu, but now you can go to Kanoch Pants out Tauris and number to Tauris. Please. Just in case if phone yangu. Sorry, phone yangu break out.
I sent messages. My friend told me to send message to you. So she said she's gonna listen to the show.
Okay.
Yes. So she wants to know.
Your friend wants to know what? It's my phone. Is it my phone? It's not volume or what? Like yangi nini? Ye live kanakuti ye my calls. Which of the two? You can't hear me or you can't hear phone ye my calls. Sweetheart, what your friend asked you to listen to the show because of what?
To send message to you. So I send message to you. No.
Why did you send a message? All right. Let me check it out. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you. I don't know what message I sent, but anyway. Okay, I've got a lady here. This is interesting. Okay. Forgive me with my Shona. My Shona is very bad. And in a friend yangu, akunao ano tangira 30 years and above. This is for the men. 30 years and above, 30 kushika 40. Murume anoda mukazi, ane 3 months pregnant. She's 3 months pregnant. Munu muridwe nombo akamuti visa mimba saka iye hasikoda kuivisa. Adukuraya. So Adukuda, a man who is serious, who does not mind that if I show us the message. Adukuda Murume are serious. She's pregnant, she's 3 months pregnant. She just had a fallout na baby daddy and Adukushagamon. Sakakana pane anoziva hamayanke are from the age of 30 to the age of 40 who is looking for someone for a relationship with. anogona get in touch. Asumskana anemimba and she's 23 years of age. And this is kind of na brothers variko panzapo. Varukuchaga a girl. There is a lady. Okay. Chishona chinondinate. Ndaka fuera shona ini. Muskana yani 23 years of age. She's pregnant. She had a fallout with the father of her child. He told her to do abortion, and she was told to do an abortion, and she said no. She's now looking for someone to date, someone who is serious, someone who is going to be the father of the child, someone who is going to accept her name in Bayake. I'm not going to judge, because I think Panona Rwanda Sterek Varume who have been told that they can't have kids, and maybe he wants to feel man enough, or the end of the moon, or not in Dakamit, Sandiam Kazongo in one. So I can apana boot, very fan of a life, can apana Ziva Mayake, Aruchakamuno, and Ungo your name in Bayake, work Garisana, and then go on Chingitamana. Those situation in Ripon. Saga, she's 23 years of age, very young. And the baby daddy said, Mimbangai Visiwa. Yeah, Arkuramba. And Aruchakamuno Gudanai. Sakando Shangastogana called up with the funny message to me. And back to our lives. The baby daddy will come demanding, and then what? If I want this day, maybe could that we are no zero limit a relationship. Yeah, what can I could see? Shakamira say, "Mkoma more boys, how are you?" Yolanda should say, "Could I not go na cause of the guy demand?" Could see a Abudamuno wake and the shower could have and this round, but she sounds genuine, especially dangerous. She's dangerous saying, "Hey guys, I've seen it being done could department around Rakati today. Guys, see okay, adding more comments. I think I'll go on a short critic. Adding more comments. I think I'll go on a short critic of an hour. Adding more comments. I'll go on a short critic. No, I'm not encouraging this. I'm just saying I have seen it being done, and I know quite a few people who have taken women who are pregnant in and raised those kids as their own. And this could see it's a good thing, but back to our show. The show for today is we've got a young brother of ours. We get into the John. No pastor go to see. John. Okay, because I'm funny. John. Representing. That's an African. Representing Kuzvitsvagira Wako Anokuda. I hope my phone doesn't act up, right? Because my volume, yeah, Sunday so continue to go AY. The last time volume was not an issue. Quite John John is not as a bit in the magazine of 19. Hello, come on, John. What's I saying? Hello. Come on, John. I'm just network. I'm gonna do my guys. I'm going to say, "Is that going to come on, John?" Like I said, Hello, Mukoma John, Masana saying. Murkuonere, sure.
Yeah, do you wanna?
Okay, Tangachi Kumbura Kuti or Mumboshi presenter.
Hello?
Tangachi Kumbura Kuti Mumboshi presenter Imimi. Mutaro Kuti Muruku Chake, Imuruku Day.
Okay, I see.
So I'm not going to you could Mukushakam Skanaka say. Pani mnambo funza reason ye kuya kwa maita pasho kuti reason ye kuya pasho nde mashai were vasikana kunzo.
How does it take like 5 and I come back home late 6, so time you socialize and everything.
Okay, then that's how I'm going to see Basa. Ibasa needs of Kutumkoma Johnny Sawan Morodo.
Yeah, and there's really tickets from today.
Okay.
So then after following Madaris, and then I saw this show, and then I decided to maybe join it also so that I can find someone.
Okay. As I had explained to most of the people, sorry, Jack, I'm so sorry, but okay, I'm sorry. If I move this table, sorry about that. Mukoma John, you are 28 years of age.
Yes.
Chagamskana, are you between the age of 21 to 25?
Yes, that's it.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you want to... When was your last relationship?
Yeah, after last year around maybe August, if I'm not mistaken.
Last year, in August.
It ended.
Okay. And
yeah.
Do you mind telling us Kutiaka Piranya Magaze relationship yenyu?
Okay, I don't mind at all.
Okay, you can go ahead. Kuti reason Yamagalambana ne muno maida na yokudarachi.
Okay, it happens like fell in love back then. It was I guess it was maybe 2013 or 2014 when I was still back home in Zim, right? And then it happened, I came this side in 2014. Yeah, I came this side in 2014 and I stayed for a year here. And I was Zim. It was around 2015 January. Yeah, and when I arrived Zim, she's now in Botswana, right?
Okay.
Okay, and I didn't mind about all that. And then later on, I heard that she was married to some guy, but I wasn't sure about it.
Okay.
So they just took it lightly, and then sometime around 2016, I went back home to Zim, right?
Yes.
And then that's when I met this lady, and then we started dating again.
No.
And same kind of ended and I, right? And then things were all good, and so just went to follow. And then I came back this side again, and she also followed. It was January in 2017. So all of schools, this is from Zoganaka, this is from Zoganaka 2017, 2018, 2019, and then in 2019, that guy, Botswana, he also came here to South Africa. So she knew about it, but I didn't know anything about it. And then last year, 2020, that's when I discovered these people are still dating. I tried to ask her about it, and she refused to do that. She's really sick. So, Yeah, it's like 2020 tangata garates.
Okay.
But not in like in full time. Like I'm aware, gara almost 3 weeks, maybe 1 week when I was his work.
Okay.
So that's when I discovered but that time I should know that Arrogant was his work. She was lying. Actually, she was going to that guy.
Okay.
So then I was a farm and partner was about to chocolate charge, and then I decided to eat things because I couldn't. As far as I couldn't continue the relationship because it was toxic, always fighting. There was no truth, there was no loyalty, so I decided just to end things there.
So can I come John? Mchango bakutambana nemskaneka because 2020 is just last year and easy.
Yeah, I know.
It's less than 6 months while you guys have broken up. Are you ready for another relationship though?
Yeah, as I've said earlier, I'm already.
Sakama kuda muno kuda naye.
Yes, it's on the daro.
Muzoti kana makuda nemwana wevaridzi. Mochiti ndakamboitawo zvakati najeni.
I know that's all in the past now. That's all in the past. I have moved on, and these guys are now staying together, and I hear she's pregnant. So that's in the past. I've moved on now with my life.
Okay, all right. Do you have anything chamchada kutaurere pamsana pe muno muri kutsvaka nasi? Because so far, pana sisvangu vari pane munin'ina ari kuAlberton because munin'ina ane 25 munin'ina ari kuAlberton. She's 25 years of age.
Yeah.
Ari kutsvaga munhu ari family orientated, someone who's outgoing,
Yes, I do.
someone who loves traveling, munhu ane rudo, and munhu anogona kuzvicontrola pakumwa doro apa kwai mamboti masikati memunhu omwa doro pakumwa doro kwenyu pakumwa doro kwenyu munogona kucontrola mamwira munoita doro.
Yeah, it's like I drink like always I drink once in a while, and then once in a while, because the drone not like bus, so maybe off just 1 day or 2 days a week. So the time is so limited.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, pane zvimwe zvamuchada kutaura here kana kuti pane zvataugwa pane makasa mama ripo pashow musikana tanga kufona munin'ina wangu kuAlberton ataura zvaataura pane mubvunza munoda kumubvunza here kana kuti and then pazoitawo mukolawo ati ane 23 asi iye ane mimba.
Okay. Ndakateerera zvangu.
Makateerera. Saka mune mubvunzere pane vasikana vaviri vatinavo at the moment because vaviri tina vasikana 2.
Okay, it's like maybe you can just ask it that's all I would say. I'm not good at that. Somebody I used to about him. I go to have a funny size. Yeah, I know. So, like family oriented, like in what ways? Because there are so different ways, and in India, but as time goes on, then I can like get into them.
Family orientated, muna nenga shida muna anoda hama kuti hama dzikashika anogona ane hunhu hwakaita sene kuti nina hama dzikashika dzikazarisa mudining ndogona kungooneka ndoenda kubedroom ndonovata.
Okay, ndikupanza anosaka I'm not like that.
Kune vanhu vakadaro vekuti hama dzikawandisa mudining anobafila kuti vanhu vati one day ndobva ndasuduruka ndobva ndaenda kubedroom nokuti handizvikwanisi.
Okay, and then that's not me because I'm used to be around people. I can hang out around people and not always a foot.
Saka pafamily orientated apa panoita nehama dzomukadzi.
Yeah, because I also like someone born family young because I don't like those small fights. You know about it, right?
And then how outgoing up and now traveling. Outgoing and traveling.
Traveling depends how the time I get. Because just imagine if I get maybe 2 days off. It's like one travel far because I will be needing to rest.
2 days off about Gorilla, and obviously, if I'm not watch annual leave, it's 21 days.
Yeah, obviously, 21 days, but there's something you have to go home. Like me, mostly if I get that leave, I make sure that to train a home because I have told you earlier I'm the only guy, right?
Yes, mataura kuti ndimi mukomana kumba kwenyu.
So whenever tarisana mesomatsuku kuti ndiye kuzovaona kumba so para
asi mukoma John kana mave nemunhu my priorities are not guys, especially if you're dating someone. My priorities are not my priorities are not changing because if I'm dating ndiri kuda munhu wekuti nguva yeChristmas kana ine munhu wangu tati tiri kuenda kuDurban kana kuti tiri kuenda kuNamibia for Christmas ndofanirwa kutaurirawo hama dzangu kuti ndofanirwa kutaurawo hama dzangu inini kuti handisi kuuya kuChristmas this time ndozoya panguva yenyu because ndendaudzana nemudiwa wangu kuti tiri kuenda kuholiday kubva musi 22 kusvika musi 27 saka tine 5 days. Saka my priorities if you're now dating munhu anotisiyane anochinja.
Yeah, that's true. Because tinge takuita maplans anditi nenguva sinazoita tinoita manje oro hano kuti ndingangodai so ndafunga kuti zvindobva ndasimuka ndaenda.
And then parudo apa sisi vekutanga vati vanoda munhu ane rudo anopa rudo rwuri proper not rwekukwedzera
rudo runanyatsokuita okay haipopo ndapanzwa handanyatsoteera zvamwe zvita hai ndanyatsokupanzwa
mapanzwa
and I heard everything what she said. So I guess she asked for I can offer it.
Alright. Okay, mukoma John. Pane chimwe chamuchada kutaura here ndanditsvaka call.
Okay, did she mention anything about having a kid or something?
Mira ndigomufunda.
Okay, about following you, right?
Alright, irbo maita basa mukoma John.
That's done.
Hello, caller. Daisy, what should you say?
Hello. Very bomb.
Wavavo waire mukoma John. Uri kufanira mukoma John kana ukufanira chishaka wako.
Hello.
Ndati wavanzwa here mukoma John kana kuti uri kufonera uchitsvaka wako.
Ndikufonera uchitsvaga wangu. Mukoma John ndawanza zvangu kusawa.
Okay. Iwe ni makore mangani?
I'm 22.
22. Okay. Unevana?
And then I'm
Okay. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a guy starting like 25 years and upwards, because even I'm 22 years now.
Nokunaka kwa wakaita na mwana wa mai. Can do a olipa profile. Nokunaka kwa wakaita. Awas kukunyenga. How sick.
Yeah, this way you go brutal.
Awas kukunyenga. Okay. 25 years and above. Saka chirakaita 65. Chirakaita chia jinabasa.
Not to 50, 60. I should go over 40 years. It's fine.
For 40 years. Ubushakamunakaita saying?
Mnanoshenda azinabasa kuti basa ripi handinangu basa nazvo.
Saka chirakaita
anoidawo kuchange andinamatawo. Yeah.
Ukana asingashandi but anawo madegree akaisamba.
Asina basa chero achingokwanisawo kuita something.
Okay, 25 years to 40 years of above. Anfangwajenda kuchechi, anfangwachi shanda, and what else?
Well, I know respect, and what or something that I need help, you can help, and you can understand everything.
Can I say you need help?
Let's say if I'm in the world, but or something else.
Okay. So I'm going generous. I see the Pustinji Main Association.
Yeah.
Okay. My friends are Pustinji Main Association. Kwanza Muskudiwa. Nesi Swangwa. Nukuna Kwakaita. As an evening in a number of something at the age of 22. Chakwitsa kuti ufunge kuti ufone panapa uti ukutsvaka munhu wekuda naye. Chi.
In problem yandinayo, I don't meet a lot of people because as I'm Roshan, I'm self-employed, so I'm always indoors. So I don't meet a lot of people. No garapabasa. I'm not going out.
Self-employed, do you have to say?
Like I do myself, I do catering for my own self. And also I do like makeups. I'm a makeup artist on those things. So that's what I'm dropping. But if I don't have this no one and I do babysitting, like I take care of some people's children. So I'm always at work. I don't go out. That's how I am. And it's simple. Stable. Don't wait until
okay, alright. And Urbunika ifum ningina da no afuna name number ne ko den singaze.
The robots now.
Botswana. And the muno ku chaka ndio ku Botswana ire kana to chaka mumun.
Ari ku Botswana chira siri ku Botswana, as long as you are going to meet, it's fine.
Okay, Mnina angwa ku Botswana and she's looking for someone. Ane kuti munhu wacho ari kuBotswana ere, ari South Africa ere, ari Namibia ere. She's 22 years of age. Hana mwana, anoshandira, anotsvaga munhu ane respect, anoziva Mwari, and anoziva kuzochengetwa mudzimai wake pane dzimwe nguva. Kana akudawo rubatsiro, anenge ane munhu anokwanisa sei, anokwanisa kumubatsira. Uchiri ne chimwe chauda kutaura nemningina.
I think that's all.
Kwaina Sara ndine brother yangu. Sara brother yako muna nochika mwarere ane respect. Asiri kustingi men association. Chila kumalawi masimba. Because she's too demanding. Can I leave a demand a papi pasho pa demand? At her age, I can't put 25 years and to 40. Respects, God-fearing, works, and can take care of her when she needs to be taken care of. As for the Munwe Kustinji Men Association, I'll see what I'll do. Alright, Nina, is there anything else that you want to add?
No, that's all.
That's all. Alright, thank you so much. Mira also talk cut. Mira, don't cut. Mira cut and the children numbers up. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your evening. Guys, machines are quite naming in I'll check on one, okay? And then kuna Budwaro Cape Town. Okay, I hope. Okay, don't go to button me. No, can also go to tower action. Because then I'm looking for an automated message. I hope you can pick up. I'll see what I can do at Tumboy from Chosen. At tea day. At Tumboy from Chosen. Hello?
Hi.
Hi, Vashans Magade.
I'm good, and you?
Fine. Dona message Jenu, and I'm going to go to more present a case in your one.
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing 34.
Okay, 34. Don't go out to Mutitari says show me.
To Cape Town in 34 years.
Okay.
Go, are serious my relationship. And you know, and yeah, about my profession. Yeah, I think don't know what's also to Tora name and to Tora Nai.
Aiwa, profession tongo da kungoziva kuti moshanda here kana kuti mushandi moshanda nemaoko enyu.
Right now ndinoshanda.
Okay.
But pane mamwe mabasa anoda kuti if ndakataura pa social media.
Aiwa, no, you don't have to. Amfangu kutaura basa renyu vazvanzi. You don't have to say your job.
And ndinoshanda.
Okay.
Ndinoshanda kutaura munhu ari serious. 25 to 30 or 31, it's fine.
Kwane 34.
And then, 34. It's important to see.
Okay.
And if kana kuzimuka, ndechida kuziva kuti musha anobva kupi.
Okay.
Pane zvandirotarisirawo kuti musha anenge achibva kupi. Handide zvangu kuti ndizotaura pasocial media.
Kana salary yenyu kudai sondobva kwagutu kwachinyika.
Izvozvo manje ndinongera kuzongotaura either nemi kana ndinotaura naye. Kuti pane zvinhu zvandotarisa. For example, ndogona kutaurirai kuti vanhu kumasvingo havaiti kana kuti vanhu kuguku havaiti kana vanhu kugwera havaiti. Inini, there is a quality yevanhu vandinodawo.
Okay, muri kutsvaga vanhu vekumusha kupi vazvanzi? Chiudzei kumusha kwamuri kutsvaga.
Handidi vanhu vekumasvingo.
Kana kumasvingo vakashatei? Tinoezvira isu ba.
Munonetsa vanhu kumasvingo.
Vanhu kumasvingo tinonetsa.
Takakukulawo tichingo tine belief nemakudziro azvikaitwa and to be honest to you background yangu even family kwangu kuti ndizoti munhu wemasvingo izvinhu zvida nyasha dzaMwari. To be honest mune anogona kuzongorejecta ende kana uchiroora munhu hausi kuzororera number 1 uri kurorera rudzi rwese. Pane zvimwe zvinhu zvakamboitika kumashure nevanhu kumasvingo to my family. So
takaitei kumasvingo takaitei
pane zvakangoitika. It's our family issue. It was horrible. So takangokura chiona andikuona vanhu kumasvingo. So it's not a big deal zvimwe zvezviye, but tichida kuti tizokonesana tichitaurirana
kuti vanhu vekumasvingo ava titoiti totene mbiri guys. Vanhu vekumasvingo mazvinzwa
you know what sister.
Okay, wait, nokuda kuvunza something Russians. Zvangu zvazvongoti inini Lorraine ndakakura mugwero, born and bred mugwero handiti. Kumasvingo kumusha ndokwagutu, unobva kwagutu kwachinyika handiti. I think mukukura kwangu kwese ndakaenda kumusha ka3 that I remember inini as ndapedza kuenda kumusha inini at form 2 ndopana ndapedza kuenda kumusha. Mbuya vangu vachiri vapenyu form 2 ndopana ndapedza
in that case.
Asi obviously handikana mchizondinyenga munondinyenga mchiti wakadei hako Lorraine ndoti tiri pedu makadiyo. Kunonzi wakakurirepi ndoti kugwero. Kumusha ndekupi ndoti ndekukwagutu. Mobva matondidismissa ipapo but hamuna kuziva kuti ina yapedza kuenda kumusha muna form 2. Shiro mukanditi ko zvinondikwire ndibhazi kuenda kwachinyika kuti ndizondonobukira pai kana kuti chinotogona kutorasika. Ende toziva ndobva kwachinyika inyaya yekunotora chitupa kutoti ndakuenda kuna baba vangu ndoti mudhara ndakuenda kunotora chitupa ndiudze kuti ndinobvunza maquestions apo ndikaudza kunzi ndobva kwachinyika mulaini rekwawachi.
In that case zvinhu zvinonzwika, but to be honest relationship inini ndikutry kuva open up zvandiri.
Okay, saka Zimbabwe yese vasikana vani mune problem navo ndevekumasvingo chete.
Vekumasvingo vacho handina problem, but panogona kuti netsei kana uri wekumasvingo.
Okay, and then imwe province yamune problem nayo kumusha kwedu.
Baba namai as long kana vari wekumasvingo vachigara kumasvingo. Ipapo maybe maparents enyu kana ari kumasvingo vachitobva muchigara muchienda kumusha zvezviye. Pane kumwe kuti for example inini kumusha kwedu kuMozambique handiti ndokunobva baba vangu inini, ende ivo mudhara wangu inini hamene akapedzera kuenda rini since pangari upenyu haanabvira ambotaurira nhoroondo yekumusha kwake kuti kwakamira so but aingoti kumusha kwedu kupi kuMozambique. In that case inenge itori right because kana munhu achitaura ndiri kumasvingo handiti baba namai vasingatombozivi kuendako, it's fine. Pandiri cross napo ndepekuti baba namai kana vachigara lese muHarare vanova vachitoti takuenda kumusha Christmas kumasvingo. Haipapo to be honest ndaita open up kana ndatadza ndiregerereyo.
Okay, saka kumasvingo paZimbabwe yose masvingo ndega mune problem nayo.
Masvingo that's fine.
Okay, saka munhu anogona kubva kumaTebeleland, kumaNikaland, kumaShonaland. Kana kubhinga it's fine, it's okay, but not masvingo. Vezhira mawa here vaizvikadubura hazvidikamwiba. Tarambwa pachena pajekerere kudai so kwanzi kumasvingo woye masvingo tine carpet tarambwa tini.
You know what, vabereki vedu kana kuti vabereki venyu, ndikati vabereki vedu handiti pane imimi makaita mwana handiti pane zvimwe zvinhu zvamunokudza muchiudza mwana paanokura mwana yega pane belief anenge achiteedza zvamunenge maita
mataura imimi ndimune makagadzira mwana wenyu. So to be honest, ini ndo makuriro andikaita sei ndo makuriro atikakura tichiudzwa kuti vanhu kumasvingo tichipiwa maexample kuti vatatoona shoti urongo vanhu mumasvingo uri apa neapa neapa. So it's not my fault zvangu. I blame.
But Vasha, no something. We fall in love. Todanana singatombombiri. Moto ndida nomoyo wangu wese andibva kumasvingo anditi. Andibva kumasvingo inini Lorraine. Ndobva ku
kana kumagunje.
Ndobva kumagunje. Hi Douglas, hi Mary, how are you? Ndobva kumagunje anditi. Andibva kumasvingo. Ndisingabva kumasvingo kudaro todanana imimi neni. Totapengesana. Maakuda kuroora anditi. Toenda kumusha kwedu kumagunje uko. Vanhu kumusha kwedu vosvika voti vanhu kumamosken. Hapana pavogune mosken. Imi munondida nemoyo wenyu wose munondida. And you can do anything for me. Munondida nemoyo wenyu wose.
You know what?
And then vabereki vangu I'm not wanting to like put yourself in my shoes anditi. Tadanana tapengesana anditi. Takwenda kumusha kwedu vanhu kumusha kwedu voti mumosken. Atidi kuti vogune mosken. Ndotouya kwauri ndotidiwa ndanga ndichikuda asi kwaunobva ndine problem nako. Is it fair?
You know what? Mimi ndikutaurira panyaya maonero angu andikaita inini. Inini like vanhu ando associate nawoga izvozvi right now. Ndine my friends angu mazhinji. I'm not a pastor, but my friends angu mapastor. Vanhu vavombe marriage officer. Issues mamwe andironzwa marriage ka hongu munhu tinechitatu handiti. But sezvandataura pakutanga kuti marriage ka vanhu ndiye vanhu. But kana waroora ka unonga waruperera dzinza rese. That's why ndakaroora imimi ka makauya kumba kwedu. Hanzvadzi yangu inenge iya kuti ndaona munin'ina uri munin'ina wangu. That's why I said she's my sister-in-law. I am his brother-in-law. Ndinenge ndatopinda mumhuri imomo. So vanhu tu vanenge vachidanana nditi. But vanhu vanozokanganisa ihama idzizi. Hama kazhinji kacho dzinokanganisa marelationship. At
the age of 34, have you ever been in love?
Yes, I was.
You were in love, and you say?
Yes, I was. But I've never been married.
She's not kana wada munu. She's not kutama zako zinoti kudi. She's not kana wada munu. I don't. For me, maybe because I was brought up differently, but I believe the relationship in the with the kana
madanana munodanana imba isina vaenzika yakatofa imba iyoyo. Remember kuti pamapenyu katadanana ndipo taita vana taita mhuri.
Vaenzana yakumba kwedu ndeve every day. Are
these
people going to be in our lives every single day? Hello? Vashavenge varumba mumba medere every day.
Yeah, maybe tinogona kutadza kunzwisisana in that issue. Isingade maybe platform.
Aiwa no ndangoziva kuti kana ticonsider hama kuti obviously hama dzichashanya handiti. Pane vanhu vachazombogara nasekuru ningi kana kuti nambuya ningi handiti. But it's not an everyday basis in our marriage. So if we're going to be married for 25 years, are these people going to be in our day-to-day lives? Yes or no?
You know what? No.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. My team I'm widow, 34 years of age, no muskana kumashingo. What else do you want?
Yeah, in the patience, it is not travel.
Okay, so you travel?
profession yangu inini inonditravelesa either to Middle East, wherever.
Okay. For how long?
So
Shema wiki ere kana kuti shema zuva kana shema viki kana chemwedzi kana
3 months, 6 months or less.
Okay, saka mune zvita munhu wekufamba naye here kana kuti munhu anoziva kuti munenge musipo for 6 months?
Dzimwe dzenguva ndinogona kufamba naye.
Okay.
Dzimwe dzenguva vanogona kutsara because ndinotoka basa.
Okay. Vasikana vasiza kumasvingo muri kuzviwa here izvi? Vasikana vasire kumasvingo. Paita vazhanzi panapa, anything else that you want to say, my brother?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Masvingo, I'm very sorry kuna vanhu masvingo.
No, nothing. It's fine, don't worry. We didn't take offense.
Maybe zvinogona kungovabatawo kuti vanhu kumasvingo.
Inangu mbira nanga ndichingozeva vanhu kumasvingo izvi.
Munhu nemunhu ka pane zvaanoda. Kana iye musikana wacho ka achazoya kwandiri ka pane zvaanotozodawo. Kana vasikana vese vari kutaura kuti vari kutsvagawo mafesi kudii pane zvezvo vandototarisirawo. Ndo zvimwe zvangu zvandoita zvandotarisirawo izvozvo. It's very sensitive. Maybe ndakataura kuti kumasvingo.
No problem. Saka matini muri kuda musikana who is from 25 to 30 years of age.
Yeah.
Okay, to 30 years. And what else are you looking for from her?
Yeah, asinganodora, asingapute fodya. Muno muSouth Africa ka vanhu vanochinjisa unhu. Amenoti chi kune isu vanhu.
Okay, and someone who is a casual drinker, is that an issue for you?
No. In background yangu haitombobvumiri kana neni handitombobvumiri kuti ndonwa doro. Handitode.
Okay, all right. Okay, is that all from her? Is that Shamur Kuda Shamam Kuda from the Muskana?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, all right, my brother Maita Basa. Let me take number in there and then you'll Shangu Pasi. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Guys, Majinzo. My brother is 34 years of age, based in Cape Town. 25 to 31 years of age. Ndiye musikana wari kutsvaga. Haadi musikana anobva kumasvingo. Saka kana pane vari interested kuna Budhafa, haadi kuti munhu anomwa doro. Nenyaya yekumasvingo handoni anonzani vazhanzi. Handoni vazhanzi vachiita uyu. Vachizobvumba vasina vane. Oh wow, this is interesting. All right. Okay. Nchakufonera mnini. Uye nungu nchakufonera. I'll call you. Nchakufonera ndabva pashow. Vazhanzi avasi kuti munhu anomwa kana vasingadi munhu anomwa doro. Vasingadi kumasvingo. Anozongodawo munhu ane mwana wake on what grounds? Kunze havakana vakazoti vanodawo munhu ane mwana wake. But nemitemo yavo iyi handoni munhu ane mwana wake achimbangediwa baba. Asi zvimwe zviedzwa munogona kusongovirana. Asi musazonyepa kuti hamuna vana and then monosiya vana kuna nambuya. Please, ndokumbirawo. Musanyepa kuti uya. Okay, thanks. Okay, let me call him. Okay, it seems that half the time when we have these shows, Anditi, we have a lot of women calling. vachichagavan. Today is actually the other way around. We've got a lot of men who are calling in and who are looking for a life partner. How about that? This is like the first ever. Hello?
Hello.
Makadi enyu vashans. Mira, just hold on vashans. Kunana kundifonera ndomuroti mundifonere pa WhatsApp chete. Musandifonere pa ma direct calls. Ndomuroti mundifonere pa WhatsApp chete. Vashans. Okay, so Janaichara earlier on Musat Mafona. Nanganchiti, half the time when we have these shows, you're dating, we have a lot of women who say they are single and they are searching. Today it is the other way around. We've got a lot of males, varume, varuku chaka. And then there's also one of my sisters, who may take big seats. As many women on Neterakuti, in Andiskunyengwa, mad, that's why I'm going to Kunyengai, a Muskubatika. Right, Magade.
It is with this.
Indians Lorraine.
Yeah, I know there.
Kind of so. No, Ziramne Shaganaka, not Shagaipa.
I look followers in Narcissus.
Okay, Vashans, Mukshagamana, get a say.
And Shagom and not for the 21 to 24.
To 24. Imunamakona Mangan. Illuminate 30. Moruku wash.
And there is
Mapopani, ku Limpopo.
Yes.
Okay. Mapopani mapedi, mama pedi, I didn't know.
Mapedi, it's after Mushache.
Mapedi, Chico. Don't be the worship of Mapopani. Mapopani, no one beggars for to come mapedi, don't be the worship.
I know you are my girl.
I know.
I'm going to
hold on, Rashans. And this is a good question you can overcome. Okay, guys, I'm from a very weird family. No was on overcome gutu. Kwachinika mulaini the watch. That's all I was told. I've been kumusha, but I'm going to kufamba ndega kuti ndinoshika parovashi. And you can't kufamba ndega kuti ndinoshika parovashi. Vashans, mati vasikana veku mapopani vanorova big.
Yes.
Saka vekumusha kwedu ndo vasinga vave big.
Aiwa. Awarinanzi mapedza aite.
Mapedza aite. As Vashans makajena Stingy Men Association. Okay, 21 to 24. Do you mind kutani ngari kupikwacho? Is there a specific area that yamuri kuda arikufangwa kumusha Kolimpope koko kana kuti? Sakachira, so it doesn't matter kutari papi pacho munyika.
Yeah.
Okay. And what else? Anovumiza kumando, anovumiza kuta forge ga. Do like
no. I want that. I don't put a void on one of them.
Ima mumuto venera chance. Okay, so no drinking?
Yeah.
Anovumiza fika matros.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what else? Mama, qualities I'm going to check. Or maybe you can tell us about yourself.
And then the young one check isn't one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you mean me picking your strengths? Why would someone pick you? Why would someone be interested in you? Like, what do you bring to the table?
Ndokusenzela big lang.
Alright, okay. Naita Basavashans.
Sure.
Thank you. Ladies, my brother is 30 years of age. He is looking for Munani 21 to 24 years of age. Ajune kuturi which part of the world? Saka whether Zimbabwe, whether South Africa. Vajans vangu avadi muskana anomadoro ne anofuta foto. Shimishisa na basi. Kwa pomara egudi. Kangani mchuzo kunzishanda imari dzenyu. Kangani munga makaudzwa kuti ndishanda imari dzenyu. Pomara egudi. Hello? Hi, sweetie, how are you?
Did you bomb with it?
Did you right? Should we say?
I actually bomb.
Oh yeah, we're both. Yeah, we're both is 22 years of age and eating. Na budyo kuma popan. They can actually work. Guys, think it's a one couple you know gonna kumecha. Muskana yaku Botswana na budyo kuma popan. Okay, chamfoni la muskana ku Botswana Canada pizza with this quarter. Wakati ya kuma no mai.
Ndiri bomb right.
Ndiri right. Ndino zore chino kuchingamiza muchirongwa.
Okay. In the last time, I don't know Sis Melly to attend that is because the name on Rukudaga, Rukuna Matas Namaru, Maran Sangani. Munondo were and the track and the Bara.
About this.
I don't know.
Guys, come about it. I'm not quite sure. I don't follow him to that extent, and follow Baba to that extent. You got even him.
No, they don't know what Baba didn't know that anyway. I can't put her any song.
In the sugar and get also an Baba. Who name will not make Baba? Don't know ID.
Don't go at the ministry. I think in the over which I was there because ndi no vada ridwe ndine mwana wangu wani ndine 2016.
Kama baba leo ni mkazi kwa he's married. Shukran bisa sen. Shalom. Wacha meza mwana wali. Wacha meza mwana. Wacha meza. Wacha meza mwana wali. Kwa baba is married. Baba no as baba already married. Jema sure guys. Ndokumira okuvunza is baba Harare married? Is he married? Guys, munane 062 ane 062 ye muna South Africa arukufona nomura utunfonere pa WhatsApp please ndokumbira baba already mkajere before we break this person's heart is baba already married. Sorry guys. I am so sorry. Baba, can someone tell me if Baba is married? Please, don't get off. Baba, I'm not sure. Oh, shame. Guys, my God, some way woman on. I like you. But Baba, never not two name. Is he married, or is he just has got kids? Guys, na radi somewhere mwanera ridi moyo shem. Mamu radi somewhere wake anga ichidao. Nasi Barume, they are on fire today. I have never seen that. Can I ask Peter Joe? Guys, I'm going to please forgive me. Mama at Stoke Zimbabwe. Hello, Masala say versions.
No,
do you right? Me say.
I'm going to
Martin Muruchagam, can I say?
I'm 19.
19. 19 I asked
24
in Russians.
Huh?
19 are they not at school? I think I someone reached for it at 19.
No, baby.
Okay, 19 to what age?
24.
Marino Guamuru pa show.
Yeah.
Pana si swambo fona lo Botswana mawanzo. Botswana kwata say.
Kwata kure.
Kwata kure.
Look things and be going.
Saka mu kuchagara ku faru mjobek at 19.
Yeah, put Elizabeth gonna pay town.
At the age of 19, I'm not 19 my nyanyira Russians. 19 in South Africa, a child is still like in college and all that. Or maybe even writing matric, somewhere, somehow. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so 19 to 25 years of age. Imune makuda mangani?
24.
Imune 24.
19 to 20. Yeah.
Okay. And you are based where? Port Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Okay. And what type of a person are you looking for? Okay. Okay. Imumu nevana? Okay. Anovumizwa kumadoro.
Aya ntomboni.
Kokufuta foji.
Maya zite.
Okay. Ili bora shanzi maita basi.
Come on.
Guys, I'm at 19. At 19, I feel as if my nana got some big. 19, oh, my daughter. Oh, hell no. No. Hell, Garamba. 19, okay, for my daughter at the age of 19, no. 20, okay, for this brother, the Shangway saw at the age of 20, going up. Means 20 to 24 years of age, no kids. Apparently, I don't know no foot. It's good having a pants. The sham, Gonzima. Kushushu, I could have. Hey! Guys, we want to go on. Look at them with those. Is she? I promise to no bore. I just knock my door. To no bore. To no bore. Katasangani is now my daughter to no bore. Oh, don't tell me that it is so bad. And Davey, I was sweet to the ball. Indeed, right. What the Pani speaker. Okay, in Budiva for Navamunum, South Africa. He's 30 years of age. I just spoke on what if they panic camera. Put tell for that a phone on what about this. Okay, no problem to tell this show. No consult tell this.
And
okay, now I can hear you. Now I can hear you clearly. He is looking for someone who is 21 to 24 years of age. He's based in Kumapopane.
Ndawanzwa chifona.
Okay, pana budho vafarira here, pana nabudho vese vafona.
Ndafarira ivavo nomocho anonzi. Anzani kumukoma John kusazoziva zvangu.
Okay, saka wafarira mukoma John ve-initial show vatwins apana pamuzara nhasi nabudho yokumapopani. Okay. Which one?
Kanazanisa nokuwaita Paul. Kanazanisa nokuwaita Paul.
Robin, I didn't drink, but truly speaking, mina ndi pindwe someone mnini. Truly speaking, do not bore kana ndisina kumadoro. Like even my friends, vantondidzwa kuti if I go out navo kana ndisina kumadoro, vantondidzwa kuti my guy, if you're not drinking garako kumba nokutokuzira, I get irritated very quickly if I'm not drunk. So I know myself. I'm fine if you really want to have fun, Nini. I'm fun, but to a certain extent, can I do sober? But I get irritated very quickly. But if I'm drunk, I really don't care what's happening. Or if I'm tipsy, I don't care what's happening. So I'm thinking, I'm coming John, na budok mapopan. Ko budok Port Elizabeth, vachango bakubva I'm going to talk to them. 24 years of age. Vapedzi vakufona.
Yeah, I need 24 years.
I'm 27. I'm 27. Staying is under summer, right?
Matarura Kangashita is too young.
Okay, Matarura Kangashita, but qualifier up and D, Bujokma Popani Nam Koma John. Okay, all right. It's a bomb, Ningen. Thank you so much. Do you have any questions for Vanava Tuva? Vanano, Father Pananda Kufunza, something. Can I go?
Nando da Kufunza, this phone. But at this initial mind, I wanted to ask, like, how long is it going to take for us to meet? Because if we can go to Zip to meet, I do not say everything transport. So I'm going in and different transport and later everything for me. So I wanted to ask him.
Okay. Kobudu Cape Town or Vashore? I've watched us was kind of machine. Go over machine.
Ndo for Guamtar.
So Kobudu, Varamba was kind of machine. Go over Vashore.
And now I was sure of but Asian tell me I winning get at one day. And a
staying view of long distance relationship basis Africa, it's just one border away. Okay, so Bujok Mapopani na Bujeku na Budijon.
Yeah,
Vanessa was South Africa. You know, South Africa. Unokwanisa kuya South Africa mapepa ako ari right ekuti Budi John kana kuti Budi kumapopani vakatenga ticket rebus utokwanisa kupindayo kana iri ndege. Okay. And anti wo wata umidoro.
Anti umidoro. And the day before you go.
Alright. Okay, so I can check link up in one because we're a conference call later on.
Alright, thank you. I'm
Pauline didn't go. Unangofanga ngopika wakude wakugana naye and then you take it from there. Waone ngosina kufarira ungomunza kuti ndinakukufarira zvachapera zvakadaro achazozoka pashow achichaka wake kana kuti achazouya wachi bhudho yakazodiwa here nokuti ndinenge ndavafarira. Because Buddha John so far, not the never scan at 2.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you, sweetie. Staying at Mbingaldo. Nanning a ding in Bingaldo. I'm also looking for Bingaldo. Guys, in Bingaldo week. When did she tell us to do it? So, guys, that was our show for today. I don't know if anyone else wants to call, but I think I managed to get a couple, and Mary, when overseas, Buddha John he doesn't mind when we're overseas. I think also Budwaro Cape Town, but I don't know Mashingwa. Buddha John Ndova twins upon upper Sarah. Buddha John is based here in South Africa. He's looking for a partner or someone to start dating from the age of 21 to 25. That's Buddha John's age criteria. Then kuna Budwaro Cape Town. Versions Wangwaru Cape Town. Then Koti Frank. Versions Wangwaru Cape Town. Then kuna versions of Port Elizabeth is 27 years of age. Scanane 20 years to 24 years of age. Let's change the versions of Cape Town. Port Elizabeth. Koti versions of Kuma Popani. He wants to scanane 21 to 24. Saka Paita was scanner 2 Wafona. Actually, I might actually have 2 couples. Because Mskana Tanga Fona Afara Buddha John. That's what I'm for Israel. Pana Afara Buddha John, that's what I'm for Israel. And they want child link and a Buddha John. And then we are to Cape Town, Botswana. The Sham link and a Buddha Mapopan. If it works out, I'll come back with a report. If it doesn't work out, I will tell you guys Kuzvitsvagira Wako Farm. I see. Look at how Gomira Mzarana. Find out I should go dog for now. Inside the page. Find out I could dog for now before I finish off this whole thing. Does anyone else want to call? Mashingo yarambwa, guys.
Connecting.
Mashingo tarambwa. Pane varambwa kumashingo tanzi team yokumashingo no thank you. Saka pakati pakashata pakaipa. So basically that was our show for today. I don't know if anyone else wants to call.
That's it.
But
yeah.
I don't know if anyone has any questions. Let's play
Baby, my
Hello, Siri. How are you?
I'm good. Don't mention my name. Ndikuona uchidhaiva.
That's because everybody says.
Aiwa Lolo Safari say you could unokwanisa kuzongotaura zita rangu palive.
Aiwa handifarisi ndakadzika. Anodhakwa.
Hello, andisikukunza.
I can hear you.
Ndatisho niko vekwamtoko since vekumashingo varambwa ko isusu mabunja but tiri overseas tinodiwa were.
Kwanza zvina basa. Vazvanzi varamba musikana wekumashingo, and it is the 34-year-old based in Cape Town. He travels a lot. So it doesn't matter which part of the world you're in, because iye agara anotravela pacheshake.
No, okay. Tango shika tamfuze duti age criteria yabo ndeyipi manje.
But that Cape Town from 25 to 30 years of age.
Okay. Anyway, does it? Tukochikira mashurugi lolo mashurugi hata
mashurugi ariko kose, but at the end of the day musa dismiss munhu wese kana kuti titi mashurugi nokuti kuna vanhu vatinofungidzwa kuti havasi mashurugi and then they turn out kuti mashurugi. Ndakuudza kuti hasi mushurugi ari munhu wandoziva ndokuudza kuti haasitombori mushurugi and then osvika achikushurugwa iwo.
Yeah, true. Anyway, inini loloka since paito ma other ladies family pangu kandichiva pachance kana zvazorambisisa vachiri available.
Chingotaura nyaya yekuti what are you looking for, what type of person are you looking for, utsvaga munhu akaita sei ende munhu anodiwa. Chingotaura kuti uda munhu akaita sei. And handiti you're based in Europe, handiti uri kuEurope ikoko. If maybe there is someone who is in your age group, kuda ariko ikoko kuEurope akutsvaga musikana wake, maybe kuda anogona kuzonditumira message oti Lolo pane munhu wandaona pane musikana wekuEurope afona wandafarira, and then we take it from there.
Okay. Inini ndikutsvaga a God-fearing man.
Okay.
Anotya Mwari above anything else.
Okay.
Anoda Mwari achizoda inini anditi and who respects my people.
Okay.
Inini ndichirespectawo vanhu vake. I'm a down to earth girl, ndogona zvese.
Explain kuti
ukati kupopa champagne tinopopa, ukati kutsiga huni aiwa tinotsiga, mumunda tinopinda, ukati muofisi zvese tinopakwana pese because handizive mutupu hangu handisi chihera futi ndati ndibva ndagara ndataura kuti handisiwe kumasvingo handisi chihera, handisi kushora vakoma vangu ana chihera ndo but ndikungozvisawo kuti plus ndiri munhu anofara vakangowanawo zvavo kaslenda akaita seni aiwa mhuri yavo inenge yangokomborera.
Kwanzi namukoma mumwe boys varipo.
Mukoma boys brother yangu ndova respecta zvisingaite.
Okay, wait. Ndikudza kupa mutupo kana kuti pasocial media?
Social media ndongova respecta. I can't date mukoma more boys.
Unotaza ndiye kudate mukoma more boys? Iwo chiva respect?
Ndikuda like ndikuda kuzoitawo business partner wavo saka hazvikwanisi. He's just a respectable man. Ova vaudza Lolo kuseri kuti hanzi samenshene zita rangu. Ai tozozvitaura off air. Varoi vawandisa. Aiona. Usataure Lolo zita rangu kuita ndikutsura boss ndokuziva. Ene pamurume anotya Mwari anondida. Timira Lolo anofara kuti ede kuchando mapepa tinogadziridza faster edu akajeka zvaunoziva iwo. Mapepa faster ukandinesa ndichikudhipoteza.
Inonzi chikwanzi.
Power off.
Kwanzi nemakore mangani nemwana yangu?
Alright, haundizive zvapamakore. I'm turning 28.
You're turning 20
in October.
Alright. October.
And then also I'll put food on the table. Chichibatidzana.
Okay, so
but I mean, Chichi bring our tester on the table. Sakapana noti yeah, inini drungo and one side. No. Chese tenichingo batsirana nchimponzo nzvimbo yake sababa. Ndiri munhu angu anongofara usaka nechido munhu anofara sina mamunhu. You know?
Okay. I hear.
Okay,
and then iye anofanirwa kunge achimwa doro, zvokumwa doro zvakunetsi kana kuti.
No problem. I don't have any problem with that. Nekuti tikada vacho vanoenda kuchechi hakuna lolo zvaunoziva iwewe hakuna. Saka takutongotora chero.
Kwaina Kero nemwana ere? Kero ana bvudzi vake vakuda kukupa kwaune mwana ere?
Yes, I'm a proud mother of a 5-year-old girl. Yes, mwana aripo. And Andimuvanze, she's 5.
Okay. Mwana anewe kana kuti arikumusha?
Arikumusha.
Okay.
I fly there and visit her often.
Okay.
Saka vana teto michero changamu tokonongokanda mapepa. Sakaomera munhu wese muchiuyawo. Nai, saomera hanzvadzi dzenyu muri kudzifuya unge mufushwa.
Namana iwe age group, kuda age group yemakore maapi mangani? Afangwa nemakore api munhu?
Any age, Lolo, I don't mind.
Hi, Susan. Chilane 60.
That any age, Lolo, because criteria and this akazongo, we are at least somebody who's what can I say? Somebody akurao who's mature enough. Kwete my cry baby, my mama's boy. Gawagare varega flow.
And if he's well,
andidika kuti nini I'll be crying iye achichemawo anonyaradza mwendi yani. Apana.
And if the person is well traveled,
yanongogara auya kuno. Asi vana humba unovada here? Eye ndinovada nekuti handisiwo humba. Azi ndina sekuru vangu is in Cape Town. Okay, munotaura nalolo. Lolo ndakukata phone.
Alright, sweet. Thank you.
Anditi pamutupo ndaramba unoti ndingara maposa anachikandamina mambokadzi vanoziva kubata varume maprincesses hanzvadzi dzamambo. Good night Lolo.
Good night sweet.
Ndiri munhu anofara mambokadzi Lolo vapabatisise ipapo handipe kumasviko kwadzika tirana mambokadzi vekwamutokoko kunyamuzizi. Aiwa ndataura zvakawandisa Lolo. Bye.
Thank you sweetie. Thank you so much. Ciao. Guys, mashinzira mega. Munina wangu ari kutsvaga munhu wake. Munina wangu ari kutsvaga munhu wake. Sis Melly. Hey. Ninge shabadara. Zvamwe zvinenge shabadara tio. Zvandoona here. Zvamwe zvinenge zvabhadhara guys. God. Hello? Tipedo wakati hapo.
Tipedo.
Ndangachikumbira kuti taurisa shoma.
Halo.
Ndaona umbozama kundifonera.
Ndichiona shwe.
Okay.
Ndichiona shwe. Kana mganga ngotia ndiyo mashinga wandafanya.
Oh, but vata wavadira sikana kumashinga. Wewe unamakore mangani?
Nine 31.
Nine 31. Unomwa doro?
Handimwe doro, handipute fodya, handinenda uchechi.
And they are not from Mashingo. Okay, but you're Mashingo running a one let me take the number. Okay, I don't know if the network I'm getting or not network okay. But we're Cape Town, but I was kind of machine going give a 1 hour our father. Message I should delete and I think one. I don't know how to do that. Okay. My brother, do you mind if I call? You understand my message? Ooh, guys, this is getting interesting. Oh my god. Hello? Okay, kind of going to a message, maybe without also and privately. So, ladies and gentlemen, so far I've got 3 couples. Okay, I've got 3 couples. 3 couples so far. I think my brother cannot. Okay, my brother cannot come in on the phone. Not now. Private. I can. Hey guys, nyaya kora muto. Okay, let me call you back, sweetie. Madam. Hello? Your phone is very faint, eh? Hello? I'm just going on. Guys, tukudam chat, sheshua tukudam chat, sheshua 2021. Tukudam in that one I've sold you cake. Okay, I'm only allowed to eat cakes after Musa 14. Musa Valentine's Day. That's the only day I'm allowed to eat sugar. I'm allowed to eat sugar, which is hard. Tudam chat, open up, guys. Tudam chat. Tudam also MC. I'm chatting, don't call my testimony. Okay, I think she would not get through. I have a lady who is overseas, who is 31 and a single mom of 1 and is looking for someone serious. Okay. Quite good one, but no book machine. But I'm moving, I'm not moving. Yeah, machine great. I go machine. I don't know, I'm sure I'm good around. Number particular. Hello? 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 And Dave, should you say?
Hello.
Hello, Vasant. Yeah, it's none shit. Russians, my team, Munemakura Mangan.
David.
Munemakura Mangan, you mean? 30 years. And then you could scan and Makura Mangan.
Eh?
Mudam scan and Makura Mangan.
21 to 24.
21 to 24. Okay. Pane zvimwe zvinhu zvamunoda kuti ave nazvo kana kuti zvamunoda kutaura pamusana penyu imimi.
Hapana chandoda kuti zvekusarudza ndichinoita zvekuzozvionera.
Apa imi muri kupi kwacho?
Inganetsi.
Muri munyika ipi?
Cape Town.
Muri Cape Town. Okay. Ati amunene kuti anobva kumashingo kana kuti abva kumashingo ashina basa ndike.
Chero kwabva.
Alright. Beautiful. Maita basa. Pane zvimwe zvamuchada kutaura.
Aiwa hapana.
Alright, maita basa vacho. Guys, Cape Town warrior. Ku Cape Town tana budhi vaviri vari kutsvaka vasikana Cape Town. So if you're in Cape Town, there are two brothers, but okay guys, now I know, please call me privately. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. Ndini Lorraine Mukundu Wacho. Thank you so much for joining me on this show today. Please do enjoy the rest of your evening. My number is 072-8199-665. If you've got any requests that you want to do about this dating show, maybe the next time we'll do it. Next time ne feedback. And then we'll come back and feedback here my couples at us. But Janas Rapira Banab. You know, good tendai from those that were here from the beginning and for those that joined in between the show. I thank you so much for your support and I really appreciate it. Please do enjoy the rest of your evenings. Don't forget to pray. God loves you. You're amazing people. And stay strong and stay blessed. Good night, guys. Good night, Cynthia. Thank you, Tinashe. Be blessed also. Cynthia, good night, my love. Good night, guys.